What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, Jasmy Coin is making some moves, and I hope to not jinx it, right? I hope to just, I wanted to just sit on the sideline, just let it do its thing, but obviously sitting on the sideline doesn't mean that it's not going to move in a positive or negative direction. But I want to get on here and talk about Jasmy Coin's movement in the last 24 hours, maybe some news, some updates, and give you guys some information, if there's any, on Jasmy Coin right now. Now, if you guys could, before we get into this video, if you could hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, check out the links down below for Twitter, for Patreon. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. This is a platform that actually gives you the ability to trade at up to a 500x leverage. I don't ever recommend it, but you could do it if you wanted to, if that was within your strategy. But it is a good platform. You get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. You'll get extra bonuses up to $10,055. Enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. And you can trade again all the way up to a 500x leverage with no VPN and no KYC that is required. There's also a giveaway going on of 750 USDT until the end of March. So if you want to be a part of that, if you want to win this free USDT, all you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade on that platform, and you will be entered to win, right? You can sign up with $50 and trade with that $50, and you'll be good, right? And you'll be entered to win that 700 or I guess 375 USDT split between or given to two different winners, right? So feel free to go ahead and check that out. Link is at the top of the description. Now, it is a very, very good platform. We'll go through it as well. I have a couple of trades that are in here that are positive right now. And we're going through the motions there of trading leverage, right? 2x, 5x, 10x, and so on and so forth. But what we're here to talk about is Jasmy Coin. I've been investing in the Jasmy Coin for a while now, since it's been, it was at 40% of a penny, actually lower than that, 30% of a penny. And we invested at 30, 40, and I believe 50% of a penny, giving us an average of 40% of a penny. Now, recently, in the last let's say few months or so, I've added more Jasmy Coin to my possession. Instead of having 1 million Jasmy Coin, I now have triple that. I have 3 million Jasmy Coin because of where it is and where it was, right? My cost basis is now around 56% of a penny. So where we stand, I'm positive on what I'm holding. Now, I've always been positive mentally. It's just positive actually, like seeing the movement and seeing that we're green and we're up on the play. But this is where Jasmy Coin stands right now. Jasmy Coin currently sits at 60% of a penny, almost 61% of a penny. It's almost at a $300 million market cap with $15.4 million worth of volume. Still only giving it a 5% volume to market cap ratio. Fully diluted value is basically 300 million, right? It's 303 million with the 50 billion coins in max supply and the 49 billion coins in circulating supply, 49 and a half billion coins of circulating supply. So majority of the coins are out there. Holders, we are getting closer and closer to 100,000 holders. I will make a video, as soon as I see it, we hit 100,000 holders, because that's a level, right? That is a milestone, just like you getting to $100,000 or getting to, even $10,000. These are milestones that you want to hit. And seeing that puts it into another category, if that makes sense to you. But this is where it stands. You've seen in the last 24 hours, we've seen some movement from about 57% of a penny, which is still higher than my cost basis, but all the way up to where we are now, a 60% of a penny level, and we hope that it continues. It is early morning right now, so it's not something where it's like, oh, this is the high time of the crypto market. We could potentially see a lot more as we get into the market open and people start seeing the positivity within cryptocurrency. Now, we could also see a reversal of that. When people start seeing the positivity, they tend to just accept that positivity and get out of it. Sometimes. Now, I don't expect that, but anything can happen. Now, a quick Google search will give you the information that you need on Jasmy Coin. If you wanted to go Google and see an AI overview, it'll give you all the detail of what's going on with Jasmy Coin right now. As of March 2026, Jasmy Coin is navigating a high volatility following significant 2025 rallies, with a recent focus on its transition into an Ethereum Layer 2 network, Jasmy Chain. Key developments include 487% year-over-year surge as of March 2026, increasing long-term holding activity and integration with Internet of Things security and Japanese carbon credit initiative. So honestly, not really much on the news side that's happening, besides, Jasmy Chain and maybe some developments with partnerships and stuff like that, but not really anything that's absolutely game changing from what the plan already was, if that makes sense. But it's always great to do a quick Google search just to know what's happening. You still have it on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. You still have it on many different platforms, including BTCC, if you guys want to trade over there. Speaking of BTCC, again, if you guys want to check out this platform, it's at the top of the description. I don't have any trades for Jasmy Coin. I made money from Jasmy Coin, short term and long term, and we'll talk about the long term there. But I have a leverage trade for Link. I have a leverage trade for Lunic. I have a leverage trade for AVAX at a 10x leverage, and so on and so forth. But Jasmy Coin, where this sits, if we go ahead and zoom out and where it has been, you got to understand this was at a 6 cent price point, and this was by no means the top of Jasmy Coin that it will ever get to. It was the peak point via market cap because it was at a $2 or $3 billion market cap, which is fantastic to see, right? I love to see the success, the growth of Jasmy Coin. We're not going to see any more dilution within it. So knowing that, you see the potential, right? Just from where it is to where it was, you see the potential and how far that can go and how far it will go. So knowing that this is going to get to a, let's say, 10-cent price point, you're looking at more than a 10x, right? At a 50% of a penny, you're looking at a 20x push. So if you had the luxury to buy in a lot lower, or lower than it was, then fantastic, because you're one of those people that's going to see that major success and be able to reap the benefits like how I am. This is my Jasmy Coin portfolio. Just to give you another update on something else. My Jasmy Coin portfolio sits at $18,000, 3 million Jasmy Coin that I hold here, and I'm up. I have an unrealized gain of $1,512.06, about 10%. My average cost basis is about 56% of a penny. Like I said, it's 55.558, and it is 5% of my portfolio, which I do expect to grow a lot more, because at one point, Jasmy Coin was, for me, worth $60,000. At a 6 cent price point, I had $1,060,000. Now, imagine it gets there, it's going to be triple that, right? $180,000 for a 6 cent price point. A 10-cent price point will be $300,000 for me. That's what is amazing about cryptocurrency, the growth, what you expect within it. Now, this is only my opinion. You can say whatever you feel about it. I just wanted to give you a quick update on where things stand with this position. So my expectation, just to give you everything, expectation is to see Jasmy Coin run. Cats are getting food. I don't know if you can hear that. To see this run to some of these levels, to test some of these levels of especially 1 cent, to test that 1 cent level, break through that 1 cent level, because it did test it more recently in January. But to test it, break through, and then start testing some of these other, support levels or resistance levels there. So excited to see it, and I can't wait to see it. I expect it in 2026, but who knows exactly when that is truly going to happen. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I want to know what you guys think about where Jasmy Coin stands, the growth that we've seen, what you or how much you have and just what you expect overall. We did officially hit 61% of a penny. Did that update over here? Yeah. So we're still growing, right? 61% percent of a penny is where we stand right now. So let's continue to see that growth. 7% growth. Let's see it at 70. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.